Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK sports question for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course which include day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course price is ₹1,999. We are having CMAT mocks for ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which country did the Indian football men's team defeated in final to win SAF championship title? The correct answer is B, Nepal. So, India beat Nepal by 3-0 and win the 2021 SAF championship title, which was held on 16th October 2021, and it was held on National Football Stadium in Maldives. Let's check the next question. The total number of medals won by India at the Tokyo Paralympics, which were held in the year 2021. So, the total medals won by India is 19 medals, which is 5 gold, then 8 silver and 6 bronze. Japanese player Kento Momota is associated with which game? The correct answer is A, badminton. He has won several major badminton tournaments, including 2 World Championships titles, 2 Asian Championship titles and 1 All England title. Let's check the next question. With which of the following games is the Deodhar Trophy associated? The correct answer is C, cricket. Where is the venue of Winter Olympics 2022? The correct answer is D, Beijing, China. Sultan Azlan Shah Cup is associated with which of the following sports? The correct answer is E, none of the above. This cup is for field hockey. This cup is associated for field hockey. Let's check the next question. Navjot Kaur is associated with which of the following sports? The correct answer is D, wrestling. So, Navjot Kaur is an Indian wrestler and she represented India in the women's freestyle 67 kg category at the 2014 Commonwealth Games, in which she won the bronze medal, and she became the first Indian women wrestler to win an Asian Championship gold medal. The term strike is related to which game? The correct answer is B, baseball. So, strike is a term used in a baseball for pitch to the ball that is counted against the batter. When were the first Olympic Games of the modern era held? The correct answer is D, 1896. So, Ethan, 1896 Olympic Games Athletic Festival held in Athens, that took place in between 6th April to 15th April 1896. The distance covered in half marathon is approximately, the correct answer is A, 21 kilometers. So, road race of 21 kilometer is exactly half the distance of a full marathon. Vijay Hazare Trophy is related to which sports? The correct answer is D, cricket. Guru Tej Bahadur Trophy is related to which sport? The correct answer is A, hockey. Which of the following terms is used in the game of chess? The correct answer is A, checkmate. In which sport is the term backhand drive used? The correct answer is C, table tennis. The award given to recognize outstanding achievement in sports is dash. The correct answer is C, Arjuna Award. So, Arjuna Award are given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to recognize outstanding achievement in sports and games. Let's take the next question. Who was the first bowler to take a hat-trick in World Cup history? The correct answer is C. Chetan Sharma. Who won the independent India's first individual medal at the Olympics? The correct answer is B. Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav. He was an Indian athlete and he is best known as a wrestler who won a bronze medal in 1952 Summer Olympics, and he was the first athlete from independent India to win an individual medal in the Olympics. Indian player Anirban Lahiri is associated with the game of. The correct answer is A. Rifle shooting. Yuki Bhambri is related to which sports? The correct answer is B. Tennis. He is a former junior number 1 and winner of the 2009 Australian Open Junior Championship. Which sportsman person was awarded the first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award? The correct answer is B. Vishwanathan Anand. So Vishwanathan Anand was honored for the performance in the year 1991-92. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.